Hi, my name is Nathan Gallagher. I'm a project engineer within the Renewables Department at Arctech Scotland. Prior to starting this role, I started working with Arctech at 16, did 6 months on the electrical and 6 months on the mechanical and preferred the electrical, moved on and I've just recently completed my apprenticeship. As a project engineer, my role includes taking these jobs from as they first come in as a tender to handing them over at the O&M, so that includes every stage of putting the prices out, of designing them and making sure that the guys on site have got the correct material, assisting the project manager of the Renewables Department where necessary, and just ensuring that these jobs go on schedule and are completed for when they need to be. My job is 50-50 on site and in the office, but when I'm out on site like today, my job is to go around with the site agent and make sure he's happy with all the progress. All the work that's been done is in line with the drawings that we've provided at the stage of tender, and occasionally come out and do client demonstrations to show clients how our systems work. Whenever I'm inside the office, my daily jobs consist of completing technical submittals, sending out estimates, design works and O&M manuals for when the job is completed. For my job, the skills that you definitely need is good communication skills, good confidence. You need to be able to go out and explain yourself and get your point across when you're speaking to people, as well as contribute points that other people have. I think a big part that's helped me going on to this role is having experience on site previously, completing my apprenticeship. So within the PV side of things, I've been on the roofs and I've done the internals. So as Arctech within our company, we are installing the PV panels currently on 16 sites. So that includes the panels, all the attic works, inverter, and basically what these systems are doing is going forward giving you a cheaper source of electricity rather than buying it from the grid. We've also started installing battery storage on jobs at Dykehead, which is definitely the future. It's the way that it's going. The favourite part of my job is definitely moving about. We're never just in the office or on one site, we're always different places, and I do think of myself as a people person, so we're always meeting different people on different sites, and no day is the same. Every day is different on the PV side of Arctech. The worst bits of my job would definitely be in the winter, being up on a scaffold, even though it's not for long, just to check the panels are installed correctly or if material's going up there or whatever, but just for 5 minutes being up on that freezing cold scaffold is definitely the worst bit. I definitely would recommend a job in construction. As much as you can start as a labourer, as an apprentice, it's definitely a business opportunity right through that you can work your way up and you can really succeed within construction. I'm currently doing my HNC at college. After I've completed this, I'd really like to move on to my second year at university and potentially start to, in the years coming, move away from the PV side of things and move on to M&E and learn about the project management on those sides of the business as well.